This package over here from Amazon, I'll be putting up together as part of this vlog, as well as another separate video for it. For the mini suit bag, it'll be only on TikTok and Instagram, as well as the razor sleeve laptop thingy. I'm really excited to post them, honestly, but it will take a while since I'm now trying to vlog on YouTube. And these are new cables that I also ordered for my setup because I have a few black cables that I would like to switch to white for more of a cleaner look, I guess. I'm pretty sure I only ordered one, but I got two for some reason. Alright, this is the main box that contains the monitor arms. I got them from Vivo, and it's a brand that I purchased from before for my current side monitor. But now I really would like to have dual monitor arms, so I went for another upgrade right now. Hopefully it goes well. Alright, I took everything out of the box, so now I'll try to build everything together. Hopefully it's easy. I don't remember the last time how I built my monitor arm. But first of all, we will be removing everything from my setup. Yeah, just give me a little bit. Alright, everything is removed, I guess, and now I'll be removing the cables from the monitors and bring them all the way here, and try to build this thingy first and then take it to the setup. We will be unscrewing it from over here. Click is okay. I'm not too sure how to do it. Okay, I keep changing screwdrivers just because I don't know which one is the right one. finally done right now. It is around 7 a.m. I had to get a lot of help from my siblings, which I am glad that I did because it took me forever to do by myself. Right now I just need to clean my room. It is a complete mess from all of this, so I need to do that real quick. And on Thursday I'll be bringing people to do my cable management because it is a mess. As you can see over there, it's not good looking. As well as some PC cleaning because my PC is full of dust. So